All right, today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower inside of an air fryer. I have my own personal recipe that involves cauliflower, and then I also have the seasonization mix is Fiesta Lime Seasoning Blend. This is made by Dash. It used to be Mrs. Dash, but the PC people came around and said, we're dropping the Mrs. and we're going to make it Dash. So this is salt-free, full of flavor. Use this because it is salt-free. I also have the California olive ranch extra virgin olive oil made in California. All right, really good. I use this right here because it is made in California, and California has rules that if it says olive or olive oil, it has to be 100% olive oil. And so that's why I choose this. Absolute. So right here, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and cut up my cauliflower. Now what I do is I cut off the ends right here first. Cut that off. But then I also use some of the stalk. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to actually use the stalk. And when I'm cutting up the cauliflower, just simply go like this, like that, and like this, Anna. It's like this and like that, and like this, Anna. And then cut it up in several pieces. Absolute. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut this up. And so the pieces that I have are yay big. All right, so once I have this like that, Anna, I'm going to go ahead and take the cauliflower and I'm going to go ahead and put it inside of a bowl. Well, this is a mixing bowl. Go ahead and put that in there. And what I do is I take the salt-free Dash. What I'm going to do is go ahead and open this. It smells fresh. Come up to the screen and smell that. Smell all of that Dash in your face. All right, smell that. Absolute. I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to just put some of the Dash on here. Now, whatever seasonization mix that you want to use, you can use it. Why? Because you can use it. Hope that made sense. And then I'm going to take the olive oil, 100% from California, made by Olive Ranch. And I'm just going to put some down in here. And the purpose of putting the olive oil on it, one, it adds a lot of flavoration. Three, it protects the cauliflower from crispination, or translated in Spanish, from burning easily. It will burn if you keep it in there long enough, but it keeps it from cooking unevenly inside of the air fryer. So I have this, mix it around. It's going to have a nice Fiesta lime flavor. For those of you who are not familiar with French, Fiesta means partay. Absolute. So I have that in here. I'm just going to add a little bit more party on it. Party on your cauliflower. All right, so I have this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the air fryer. I have my air fryer right here. And what I like to do with the air fryer so it makes cleaning easier is I put a little bit of aluminum foil down in here. Now, I don't suggest you put aluminum foil because your air fryer manufacturer may not want you to put aluminum foil down in your air fryer because it affects the circulation of the air fryer, but I do it this way. Absolute. So I have this, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the cauliflower and just put it down inside of the air fryer. So I have this, and I'm just going to make sure that they're not stacked on each other. like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this inside of the air fryer. And what I do is I go ahead and take this and I'm going to make an air fryer I'm going to cook it for about 7 minutes. And then I'm going to have the temperature at 400 degrees, wheezy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to see how well it cooks. Now, depending on how you like your cauliflower, you may adjust the time or the temperature. But this is usually what I put when I'm putting vegetables in here. So let's go ahead and let this go for 7 minutes and see what we're working with. Absolute. All right, so it's done. I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like. Look at that. Absolute. Look at the cauliflower. Seasonization is on there perfectly. Now look at this. Now, if you want it more done, you can actually lower the temperature. You can lower the temperature, like, for instance, to 375 or 350, and extend the time. That way you can get a more consistent and perhaps softer cauliflower, if you want that. But here it is, and in all of its glory. Let it cool and ready to enjoy the healthy cauliflower meal. Absolute.